So I'm going to school to get my computer. And while I'm here, I got a package. I'll go ahead and do package time. Open that package up. So, in another previous video, I had to send back the ND filter because I ordered the wrong one. Also, did you see how fast I opened this envelope? This is the variable ND. So, Maddie from Travel Fields is a big fan of the variable ND filters. They allow you to keep the shutter speed as low as you want it to be, and while you're continuing to shoot. Now this is the one, this is what I wanted. So you can turn the ring, I don't know if that, and it gets darker. And this way you can set the amount of light however you want. So that's like really dark, and if I turn the ring back the other way, it gets really light or lighter. So this way, and then the other thing is I got the 77 millimeter. I don't have any lenses that big, but the package that I had such a hard time opening were the step down rings. So using the step down rings, the 77 millimeter step down ring, I can mount the 77 millimeter filter onto the 77 millimeter ring, which apparently that's not the one, and then it steps down to the lens size that I have. And I have a 72 and a 67 millimeter lens, and I also have a 58 millimeter. So there we go. So then this would go onto this lens and allow me to keep the shutter speed at and all the vlogger guys, all the video, the cinematic, they say the rule of thumb is you want your shutter speed to be double your frame rate. So for 24 frames per second, I got 50. That's, you know, close enough. So that's package time. I will put links to the filter that I bought, the filter that I sent back, just in case you need a 10-stop filter, as well as the step down rings. I'll put Amazon links down there for all that stuff. Package time.